ใช่อันนี้ถ้าขายซื้อกลับบ้านโลเท่าไหร่แล้วให้เดี๋ยวเราต้องจะมาชั่งก่อนค่ะต้องดูก่อนเอามาดูเราซื้อไปเป็นทั้งตัวก็ทำไม่เป็นค่ะ Look at behind us. We have this nice beautiful bay behind us, and today we're gonna be cooking another one of my seafood flavor. Is scalloped with butters and cheese. Now this one normally cooked with garlic, but I prefer my one with white onions. I'm gonna show you how. First we're gonna start by grilling out shallot. I got this one, I'll show you the footage. I got this one from a local market, like fresh from the pier. They clean it for you for like one step, and then I come back and rinse it, the soy and everything out, and they got out, so I have this nice beautiful clean. Now we're gonna put that on fire now. It will be perfect if you have like charcoal. So the ingredient is very simple. You just need scalloped, salt, butters. Yeah. Now while we wait for that one to cook, we're gonna mince our onion, brown onion. You can go ahead and use your garlic. You want to lower the heat a little bit. Get our garlic out, like finely minced them. Look at this weather, it's beautiful. Right now it's like 5 p.m. Perfect weather, nice and cool. We at Got Chang at the moment. You know, like the fisherman behind me, you will notice that he will smack the water very hard around. I'm not sure if you can be able to zoom in. You will see like all a orange dot on the water. That one there he put on the trap, that's the net. So he smacked water to scare the fish, so the fish swim into the net. Easy meal. I wonder if he did it. Alright, chop. This is one of easy snack you can have. Doesn't take long to cook. Just be careful. This middle one is already start cooking. I'm gonna seasoning them with some salt and peppers, and then I'm gonna put like a little bit of onion on top. Salt in. Peppers. I'm gonna add a little bit of onion on each, just a little bit, a few. Or you can make it like a paste together, like you know how would you make your garlic bread. I like this is good too. Put onion first because onion take a little bit of time to cook through. Not enough, just a little bit. Yeah. That's it. Move around, make sure that every one of them cook. Look at the bubbles. Yeah, that one bubble now. Now the shells start to bubble a little bit. I'm gonna add butter on it. with butter. Look, you can add more if you want. I'm gonna turn the heat back on. And this one to make sure that they're able to move around. You can bake this in the oven if you prefer. Start cooking. Woo! Splashing. Alright, now I'm gonna add the cheese. Wait until that one cook a little bit, I'll add the cheese. Okay, now as soon as the cheese melt, it's all done. Close it up. Maybe not close it up because I think it's gonna be hard for me to get the cheese out. Okay, heat back on. Oh, now you can see behind me, he start pulling the net up now. See if he get any fish. I heard. He got 1 kilo. Got 1 kilo of fish so far. This way you can also cook it over the coals. It tastes much better. But this way is good too. You can smell it already. Now that it's one more left, I need to cook this one a little bit more. We're going to turn the heat off and I'm going to cook the rest. Second batch in. Looking good. Does anyone know what is the difference between this brown shell and that's a white shell? They're two kind of shell. I'm going to add the garlic now. I think because I need more time to cook. I'm going to turn the heat on. I mean onion. Brown onion. Peppers. Maybe we don't need more salt. Maybe a little bit of salt. Sprinkle of salt. Butter. Oh, butter is melting now. That one's definitely cooking good. Look at the smoke. We'll wait until everything is shrinked and then we'll add cheese. Alright, I'm gonna start. Top up them with some cheese. Oh, the scallop, you don't overcook them. This is like 4 cheese. In here I bought mix of cheese. I'll finish all them cheese. This one can be Adam food. This is what it look like up close. Might not look much. If you have some parsley, can put parsley up to for decoration. But this is, I promise you, this is good. Fresh scallop from the farmer, from the fisherman. Didn't get any better than this. You can have them with Thai seafood sauce. Creamy, sweet. The scallop's so fresh. Good flavor. A little bit salty, but not too salty. The scallops, like fresh from the fisherman, is way better. The scallop is like so bouncy, not overcooked, perfect. I'll try one more. Yeah, the other one. Wow, I think a little bit with like seafood sauce is the winner. Love it. The smell, I think it would taste 10 times better if you like do it over the charcoal. You can get that smoke flavor. But this is alright. This is good. That's it. I'll see you in the next video. I'll be cooking more seafood video. I'll be doing a seafood boil. So I'll see you in the next video. Bye.